Today at Mullin Machinery we have a Romi M17 CNC flatbed lathe, new in 2002. It came from a government facility, so needless to say it saw very little use. You can see all the paint inside behind the chuck. Just very little dirt thrown on there, but all the paint's on it, so you know it didn't throw many chips. Has a 10-inch 3-jaw Bison chuck. Has a Fanuc 21i-T control. Like I said, this machine is all original paint. It's later in the day. We're only working off our sunlight, so bear with me. We don't have the best lighting, but we have the lighting on the machine. 17-inch swing. Basically 40 inches between centers. I believe it's 2 inches through the spindle and just 8.03 inches over the cross slide. This machine has a turret on it. There's some tool holders in the turret at the moment. Manual tailstock. Morse taper number 4. This is a manual type teach machine. You have handles on it, so you can move the axes with the pulse encoders. We don't have the coolant pump hooked up at the moment, but it's there. We do have a operator's manual. I'm going to run it for a moment. Let's see. I'm going to show the turret with the jog the turret. Actually, what are we in now? We got to put it in jog. There we go. In jog, we can jog the turret. I believe this is an 8-position turret. Then, okay, let's turn the spindle on. We're going to go back. MDI. Program. S600. M3. DOB, insert, back on the program, S600, M3, DOB, insert, at 600 RPM, nice and quiet. Here we can move the, see if we go to jog, we can move the turret, move the cross line. We have it in rapid at the moment. Cut it down to slower, cut it down to slower. It's better for the video, we'll move it a little faster. Then we can move in and out. Everything is nice and quiet and smooth, you don't hear any binding. All the rubber weight wipers are in super shape, just the machine was not used much. You can rapid it back with the hand wheel. There's your rapid function, which is always a function of the spindle speed. Rapid forward. Set. Out. In. Let's run the spindle speed up a little higher. Spindle speed, go back to MDI. I believe this is a 3,000 RPM top speed, but because it's a chuck, and I wouldn't call it a high-speed chuck, so I don't want to run it that high. We'll do 1,000 POV. It's 1,000 RPM. The engine purrs nicely. In fact, we'll run it a little higher. Maybe we'll do. .50 RPM. That's 1250 RPM. So we go to jog, simple machine. Battery's going dead, so. But there you have it. This is a nice clean CNC lathe. These flatbeds in this clean shape do not come up that often. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.